I want to teach you how to make subscription icon using Filmora. So click on Filmora. That's a software, video editing software. Takes some time to open. Okay. On your right, you can see some projects I've worked on, but you're starting a new project. Just click on New Project. That's the blue, light blue rectangle. So it takes you here. This is the interface where we'll be working on. So you go and click on text. Click on text. So you have this. So pick any one you would like. Click on anyone. Let's go for this one. Click it twice. Oh, now you have 3 of them, the purple box. So click on each of them and hit your delete button. We need only one. Okay, the next thing is to adjust the text. We want to type subscribe. So what you do is click on the purple box. That would produce a test screen where we can type on. Okay, so the next thing is to choose what kind of text type you want. I prefer the first one. It's bold and bright. So click on it. Then go to the screen, test screen, delete what you have there already, and type subscribe. However, I prefer typing this text towards the end. You will see the reason as you continue with the video. So change the font size. I prefer using 44. That's good. So if we were done, naturally we would have clicked on OK, but because we still need some adjustment, so we'll click on Advance. That will take us to another interface where we'll add shape, color, and animation. So we'll click on Advance. Here are we. So the next thing is to add shape. And the shape we would want is a rectangular shape. Go up. That shape. Click on that. Let's go for the rectangle. So let's increase this a bit. Okay. Now, if you drop this subscribe in there, you will discover that it will be below the shape because it was written before the shape was produced. So that's why I said I don't like typing before this period. So I prefer typing at this period. So let's type subscribe down. And that's it. The next thing you will discover is that the edges of the shape are curved. We want sharp edges. So what you do, click on the shape. Now you see up there, you see a yellow icon. So drag it to the extreme. And that is it. So let's now bring this downwards towards the left bottom corner of the screen. Okay, I think this is better. The next thing to do is to change the shape color. Usually subscription icon is red, not orange, so we change this orange color. So we go look for shape color. Just let's scroll down a bit, and here are we. So change this, click on this. Now you have this drop down, different colors, but we may not have space our choice. So just click on more. So you have this arrays of color. So we pick on I prefer red, blood red, sorry. So click on OK, and here are we. So you can close this interface. You'll be required to save this. You save. Now don't forget, I told you we have to add animation, so we need to go back to advanced because we've not added animation. So click on animation. Now you have drop down of arrays of animation. So preview each of them to see the one that suits you. Okay, let's go for this. Okay, we can close this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it drops down. I prefer this. So let's close this. Okay, click on save. Okay. And we're here. So the next is to add audio to the animated image. So click on OK. Now if you have some sounds and or audio you've already downloaded on your system, that would be nice. But I am using the audio that came along with this software, Filmora 9. So click on any of these. So we have arrays of sounds or audio. You could pre-test them to see which sound you would like. I don't like the sound. So I would prefer something unique, different from the ones that I have heard on YouTube. I would rather go for something like the sound of camera shutter. So let's see this camera sound. Exactly, this is what I want. So click on that. Well, it's appearing 3 times, so we'll delete 2 of these. Just click on them and hit your delete button. Here we finally have what, so we can test this and see how it goes. So let's play. Very well, very well. Okay, so we can close. However, if you are done, you just export. Exporting it will transform this into MP4, MP3, AVI, MPEG, and what have you, which are usable on social media platforms. However, if you save this, it is not usable. So I am saving it because I have some work to do. So I'm saving it as a project. So let's save this. I would like to save it with subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, we are done. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with friends. Also, encourage us by subscribing to this channel. Give us a thumbs up and hit the notification button so that you can get notified whenever other videos are available. Thank you.